how to change voice on Facebook Messenger during call. So if you want to change your voice on Facebook Messenger during call, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messenger application. After that, go with the chat. I'm here with this chat. Now you need to go and start a call. You can go with an audio call or a video call. Now once you're on your call, you need to go with the three dots, which will be on the top right. Now once you're on the top right, as you can see that you will have call settings, and under call settings, you will have audio output and microphone mode. Right. So if you tap on audio output, then as you can see that you will only have two options, which is iPhone and speaker. But there's no option for a third-party voice changer app. So I hope that this answers your question. And that's basically for this video. Unfortunately, you won't be able to change your voice during a call in our Messenger app. You can use a third-party microphone or stuff like that to just change it outside and just talk to people. But there's no direct way. And that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.